Unit 1 HTML. So, what is HTML? HTML is the hypertext markup language which is used to design the web page. HTML is a format that tells the computer how to display a web page. It consists of a set of predefined tags which is used to interpret the web browsers and display the information on the screen. HTML file is a text file actually containing the small markup tags which is used to design the web page. HTML is a static one, so it designs the web page as static document. The HTML file must have the HTML or HTML file extension. It can be stored with the extension of HTML. So next is an example. This is structure of HTML. So first we have a tag called HTML tag, and next of HTML we have head tag. Inside the head tag we call it as title tag. So this title tag, the content of the title tag which displays the title bar of the web page. So next closing tag of head. So next we describe the structure of the document, we call it as body tag. Inside the body tag we have the actual designs of the web page. We have used a number of tags to design the web page. So here we use, this is my first home page as a normal text, and this text is bold which consists of the B tag, right? This B tag which enables the inside text as bold one. So next closing of body tag, and next closing of HTML tag. So number of HTML tags we have used to design the HTML document to enhance the style of HTML or web page. So the tags we called as markup tags. The tags have two characters as less than as well as the greater than. We call it as angle bracket. So every normal HTML tag can have the pair as like open tag as well as the close tag. So HTML tag is not a case sensitive, so uppercase and the lower case are not different. So it is an example of HTML tag as we seen in the first slide, right? So we have HTML tag. Inside of HTML tag we have head tag. Inside of head tag we have title tag. The title tag consists of the content which is displayed on the title bar of the web page. And next we describes the body, that is structure of the web page. So these are some of the basic tags we have used in the XML document. So first is an HTML. So next is a body, is a mandatory one. So next we use the H1 to H6, that is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Here itself we can understand the different size of the content inside the tags. So next is a P tag which resembles the paragraph tag, which is used to write more than one letter in the document. Here the heading tag which automatically adds the extra blank line before and after the heading, which is used to align the documents. So next we have paragraph tag, right? So paragraph tag which resembles by the tag called P and have the attribute called align. So it is one of the attribute of paragraph tag which is used to align the text, whether it is the left, right or center. So default alignment of paragraph tag is the left. Default we start writing the paragraph from the left side, right? So default value of align attribute is left. If in the case of writing the thanking any letter at the last signature, we put it in the right side, right? So on that purpose we use the align called P align equal to right. So next we use the break lines. So we use the break lines called BR tag, and next we use the horizontal line which is used to put in horizontal rules that that divides the section wise categorization. So we just put a horizontal line to divides the one or more paragraphs. So these are the some of the tags we may use in the HTML tags.